Kelly got the eggs. It is roughly 5 minutes a day. That is our daily process. Gather eggs, check the feed and water, change and add to if necessary, and that's really it.
Good afternoon and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. It's beautiful and sunny out today, so hopefully you're outside enjoying some of that weather.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all of you lucky men out there who have kids, and hope you guys had a little special treat today for that as well. And I do have to do a little shout out because Bruce's birthday is tomorrow, so I'm a lucky woman that he came into this world and I get to have him for mine. Today we kind of wanted to talk to you a little bit about our chickens. Chickens are kind of like the gateway homesteading animal that a lot of people, we enjoy them. You get eggs from them. They help you with composting, and we've had them at another homestead we had in another state, and we didn't invest into some of these other items that we're going to show you. You've seen some of them in other videos, but we've kind of got this down to where it takes approximately about 5 minutes a day to deal with the chickens. Probably the biggest item that we have to do on a daily basis is gathering eggs. So you can see this is where Bruce made my little door for me to be able to get my eggs. Backs up to nest boxes for our chickens. I've got my really professional egg gathering bag here. And we have 5 eggs. And that's pretty good because we have 5 chickens. But you can see we've got these nice little nest boxes that Bruce made.
Kelly got the eggs. It is roughly 5 minutes a day. We've had 2 different chicken setups. Both the coops have had dirt floors. We inherited this 4x6 building, and with that nest or the egg box, be able to access it from the outside, I can also do the same. Just like we can get and gather eggs without stepping where the chickens step, because we know when chickens step, they also leave behind manure. Can do the same thing with the feed and water. I can grab this wire the feeder's attached to and just pour in. And I only have to fill this feeder. I check it every day because I'll come in and check the water and they make a mess, so I'll pour that out. The water, the most I've had to do it is every other day. The feed, like say, every 3 days. So latch that back up so they can't get out. So that is our daily process. Gather eggs, check the feed and water, change and add to if necessary, and that's really it. Now Kelly will show you one of the things that was a game changer for us. Okay.
So one of the biggest game changers to our chicken routine has been this run chicken door. This has been a game changer. It is an automatic chicken door. It opens up about 20 minutes after sun has come up, and it closes itself about 20 minutes after the sun has gone down. And that has been such a game changer because when we had our other chickens at another farm, we had to go out and make sure the doors were shut and make sure all the chickens were in every night. You had to go out and open it every morning. We don't have to get up at a set time now to come out here to let the chickens out, or to late at night and you're like, oh, did you put the chickens away? We don't have to do that now because of this lovely automatic door. It has been worth every penny we paid for it, and I would do it again in a heartbeat.
All right, this is the last item that has really helped us. This is the Premier One poultry fence, poultry netting, and we've got 200 feet. So this grass behind us, we can't move our coop, so we're rotating this fence because it's fairly portable. Takes a little practice to move it. And neighbors who had a game camera up, they live about 5-6 miles away, they saw this run off a black bear. So we trust it. Dogs and our own cats is about all we've seen that we know we have. The grass is doing pretty good. This is all reseeded, so and we've got a little circular hardware cloth full of wood chips that I also add grass clippings to when I mow, so we're making our own compost. The solar charger kit works great, keeps the battery charged up and the fence going. In the winter we'll probably get a second battery, keep it charged because our days will get shorter. It gets rainy here in the winter, so we'll be able to pop a battery in the winter to make sure that the hens stay safe. We also had, the first coop we've had, first chicken setup, that we've had a floor in the coop instead of a dirt floor. This and has plywood, like I say, we inherited it. A benefit that we didn't realize we'd have, the eggs stay really clean. So I guess as the hens come in, they drop the mud and stuff off their feet. So our eggs have been really clean, much cleaner than before. And our setup like this, we feel like you could go probably from Friday, say at lunch, until Sunday at lunch if you wanted to go away for the weekend, because the feed's good for usually 3 days, the water's been good for 2 days, sometimes 3, so you can go away for a weekend and still keep hens as long as you felt like your battery was well charged.
Thank you all so much for stopping by Life in Every Season. Hope you enjoyed our little commentary on how we take care of our chickens and how we've got it down to the minimum of time, which is really important to all of us. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Father's Day. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you the next time. Bye.